know, bro. Like, I just uploaded that new video and immediately clicked on it to like check because like you can see how the audio is better. And just imagine, like, if you have the same problem, it will be like that. But there will be no 1440, no 720p, 60, no HD. It will be only on 360. And how to fix that, you may ask? Actually, it's pretty simple. And where the fuck are my headphones? Let's try those on because let's just check it out. So hold like this. I saw the audio. So this is how my 100 pound my 100 bucks, actually $50, but my currency is inflated. So yeah, wait. So yeah, those are $3, and I hope to go that they're somehow better. So yeah, it was on only 360. And you may ask how to fix that. Actually, you don't have to do anything. I know how that sounds, like what the heck, but you don't need just a little tiny bit of time to like make the full video and give the person that watches it quality option. So yeah, this is going to be another video, guys, and I will see you.